First, come over to cloud.google.com. You can sign up for free. And if you're worried about how much eventually this is going to cost you, I can tell you it's costing me about 4 cents per month as far as the Google Cloud Storage component goes. Once you're signed up, you can come over to your Google Cloud Console. And once you're in here, you can search for the Cloud Storage Service. And once you find it, you can navigate to it like so. And let's come over to the Buckets tab. A Google Cloud Storage bucket is a place where we can dump files, like for example, videos, images, etc. Let's create a bucket. You can call your bucket whatever you want. I'm going to call mine Best Bucket Ever. Let's leave all of this default because we can always change it later. And now we have a place where we can dump media. We need to make all of the media that we dump into this bucket publicly accessible, right? The way that we do that is by coming over to the Permissions tab. And let's click this Remove Public Access Prevention button. Confirm. And let's reload the page. And let's now click Grant Access. And for principals, we will put all users. And for roles, we will select the Storage Object Viewer role. Click Save and confirm that we are about to make all of the files in this bucket publicly accessible. And now, when we come back to this bucket and upload one of our short form vertical videos, you can see it is now publicly accessible via a URL.
All right, so here's just...
Bam.